you know, I haven't been in a while. But I had to step away from YouTube to take care of a couple of ongoing life things, you know. Let me kind of catch you guys up. Okay, so I have two children. I have two boys. I have a 17-year-old. Wait a minute. Today's his birthday. 18-year-old, and I have a 13-year-old. Well, my 18-year-old graduated from high school on his way to college, so I had to do a lot of things with him. And my 13-year-old, soon to be 14, will be going to high school. So I had a lot of things that I needed to do, a lot of catching up I needed to do, you know, making sure that they do what they're supposed to do. So I had to step away for a minute. And the ongoing saga of the ex-husband. So he wants to come home. He feel, you know, that he made a mistake. But I'm like this. Once a cheater, always a cheater, and you're going to keep on cheating. So I don't want you back. So just a whole bunch of stuff been going on, guys. But I wanted to drop in today to show you this wig. I went to a neighborhood beauty supply, and they had like a whole bunch of wigs in this bin, and they're giving them away. Not giving them away, but, you know, reduce the price. And the reason why is because, you know, everybody done fingered them. They've been molested really bad. But, I mean, if you are a wigologist, you know some good bones on a wig when you see it. So, that's what I did. I bought two wigs. Actually, I bought... Oh, my goodness. You know what I forgot to do? Hold on one minute. So I had to run and get something real fast. But anyway, the wig that I'm coming to you today is one that I got from a beauty supply that was used and, you know, fingered, and, you know, people didn't finger her so much that they just didn't want her no more. But if you are a wigologist, you know when you can do some things. Well, the wig that I'm talking about today is Usha. Okay. Now this wig was $34.99. They marked it down to $19.99. Then they marked it down again to $14.99. So I had to get it. So the lace is still on there. It is a lace wig, regular cap construction. They have like a lace parting there or whatever. So everything else is... Now, what's unique about this wig is the color. Now, while I'm talking to you guys, I'll be cutting off the lace. What's unique about this wig is the color. And the color is really, really like summery. And that's one reason why I wanted to get it. Another reason I wanted to get it was because, not just say subbies. Oh my God, my dolls. You guys are my dolls. Because this is the Black China doll show, and you guys are my dolls, you know. And here you learn 411 on me and my life, and how we can save some money and ball on a budget, baby. You understand me? And that's what we do here at the Black China doll show. Okay, I'm trying to get this lace off without causing too many problems. Ooh. Okay, guys. So I'm taking the lace off. Now, for my son's graduation, I had on a Friday night wig, and I did the glue, what do you call it? The stocking cap method. Okay, so I cut the lace off. All the lace is gone. Okay. And when I seen this wig, I was like, they damn near giving this wig away. Let me show you guys again. Okay, that it is. It is the Deep Swiss Invisible Lace Parting Wig. Okay. Kankaline fibers, 2.5 hand-tied Swiss lace. Okay, whatever. All right, so I did the stocking cap method, and just last night it just came off, and the prom was on the 9th of June. So just last night it just kindly just slipped off, like it had had enough. So I'm like, okay, cool. So anyway, just took that off, and but the lace, but the stocking cap is still on there real good. So I was like, hell, I'll keep it on and come in and do a tutorial, a video on this wig. So right now, what I'm doing is just putting some powder on the wig. Putting some powder on the wig. I don't know if I'm gonna glue it down. Not sure yet. But I am sure I am gonna put some powder on there. And the kind of powder I'm using is Black Radiance. I believe it's Black Radiance that I'm using to match my skin. Okay. Yeah, I know you guys are like, where she been? She ain't made no dang on video. What's going on? But my thing is, I got like 200 and some videos. Y'all can take any one of them videos any day and watch. I mean, not unless you've been with me from the beginning, but that's a lot of videos. So there is a comb here and 2 combs on the side. I'm gonna take this off. Okay. It feels weird, like I need a stocking cap on, but I keep forgetting I have a stocking cap on. Okay, so here we go. It is a little loose because, like I told you guys, she has been fingered to death, you know, and we are coming here to restore her, show her some love. This is the, I want to say Usha. Usha. That's what I want to say. I want to say Usha. That's the Usha wig. But it could be Usha, depending on your pronunciation. That's how you can tell what it is. Now, I can easily put some more parting space here. I mean, you know, put some concealer here. That'll be fine or whatever. But as you can see, if I wanted to glue it down, that would be great too. Hold it down here, glue it back. Well, can have to cut right here, cut some more here, but glue it down. It would be nice to glue down. Okay, but I'm not going to glue her down today. What I am going to show you is, this is, to me, the wrong color for me because it matches my face too much, right? So, I'm going to use some of this magic root cover-up to create me some roots. Okay? So, that's what I'm going to do. And pretty much, I'm just going to go in between. Between here. Okay. Put some roots. Just to darken it up. It needs to be darkened up. See that? Just to darken it up just a bit. Okay. Now, here. Just comb through. You see that? Okay, let me take it off and do it because I can't see. I don't want to mess it up. So, but I want to show you guys that if you see a wig that you like and it's just too light for you, don't think you can't darken the roots up, because you can. You can darken it up and make it better for you. Okay. And darken that roots up. All right. So I'm darkening the roots, combing it out. Just a little bit, I think, right here, and a little more. Okay. All right, let's try it out again. Now, when I came back, see, I darkened the roots up just a bit. Okay, and let me try it back on. Now that looks like a totally different wig now, don't it? Okay. There you go. Okay. Now, this way, I'll rock this wig, because it's not too bright now. The top of it was too bright. So I just darkened it up or whatever. It gave me some black to work with. I'll probably bring some more black down this way. Just a little bit. Okay, I messed that up. Just, you know, you can do it any way you want to do it. But I'm just coming in to show you. This is a discount wig that I got from Beauty Supply that they were getting ready to pretty much throw away or whatever. And I went and picked it up for $19.99. This is the Usha wig. And it was a little too bright. So I just got some magic root cover up and create some root or whatever so that it's not so bright. And now I can wear it. Okay, but this is her. This is the Usha wig. Alright everybody, I was just coming in to show you a little trick that you can do to tone down a wig and create roots in the wig so that, you know, if it's a color that you like and they don't have it this way, you can create it yourself. Alright guys, this is Black China Dog coming in, and I miss you guys. Bye.